Hello friends, I am Dr. Rupa Gupta. In this video, I am going to explain multiple choice questions on Negotiable Instrument Act 1881. So let's start with question number 1. Which of the following section in Negotiable Instrument Act deals with the bill of exchange? Option A, Section 5, Option B, Section 6, Option C, Section 4, Option D, Section 13, and the answer is A, Section 5. Question number 2. Which of the following are not the negotiable instrument as defined by the statute? Your options are A, banker's note, B, promissory note, C, bill of exchange, D, checks. And the correct answer is A, banker's note. Question number 3. Dishonor of negotiable instrument by non-payment is covered under section in Negotiable Instrument Act 1882. Your options are Section 90, B, Section 91, C, Section 92, D, Section 93. And the correct answer is C, Section 92. Question number 4. If the holder of the bill of exchange allows the drawee more than dash hours exclusive of public holidays to consider whether he will accept the same, all previous parties not consenting to such allowance are thereby discharged from liability to such holder. Your options are A, 24, B, 12, C, 36, D, 48, and the correct answer is D, 48 hours. Question number 5. Identify the promissory note from the following. Your options are A, I promise to pay B, order rupees 500. Option B, I acknowledge myself to be indebted to B in rupees 1000 to be paid on demand for value received. Option C, I promise to pay B rupees 500 and another sum which shall be due to him. Option D, A and B. And the correct answer is B, I acknowledge myself to be indebted to B in rupees 1000 to be paid on demand for value received. Question number 6. Which among the following are the requirements of a promissory note? Your options are A, it must contain an unconditional promise to pay a certain sum of money. Option B, it must contain a conditional order to pay a certain sum of money. Option C, it must be payable to the order of specific person or bearer. Option D, A and C. And the correct answer is D, that is A and C. Question number 7. When rate of interest is not specified in instrument, interest on amount due is payable at Option A, 18% per annum, B, 6% per annum, C, at the discretion of drawee, D, none of these. And the correct answer is A, 18% per annum. Question number 8. An usance promissory note has to be presented for acceptance by the maker. Your options are it is true, B, it is false, C, promissory note is always on demand, D, none. And the correct answer is B, it is false. Question number 9. Demand promissory note attracts stamp duty only on the amount, whereas usance promissory note attracts stamp duty based on the amount and the period. Your options are A, true, B, false, C, partially true, D, all of above. And the correct answer is A, true. Question number 10. Stamp duty on promissory note is A, same throughout India, B, varies from state to state. C. Both A and B. D. None of these. And the correct answer is A. Same throughout India. Question number 11. Promissory note payable to bearer. A. Can be drawn by anybody. B. Cannot be drawn by everybody. C. It all depends on advocates. D. None of these. And the correct answer is B. Cannot be drawn by everybody. Question number 12. Bill of exchange is defined in section dash of the Negotiable Instrument Act. The options are A4, B5, C6, D none. And the correct answer is B5. Question number 13. Bank notes and currency notes are A. Promissory notes, B. Not promissory notes, C. Semi-promissory notes, D. None of these. And the correct answer is B. Not promissory notes. Question number 14. Bill of exchange should always contain A. A conditional order to pay a certain sum of money, B. Both A and B, C. Unconditional order to pay a certain sum of money, D. None of these. And the correct answer is C. Unconditional order to pay a certain sum of money. Question number 15. A bill of exchange in vernacular language is called as A. Hundi, B. It cannot be drawn like this, C. Akshay Patra, D. None of these. And the correct answer is A. Hundi. Question number 16. At sight bills of exchange are also called as A. Demand bills, B. Usance bill, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. And the correct answer is B. Usance bill. Question number 17. Acceptance is necessary in case of A. Demand bill, B. Usance bill, C. Both A or B, D. None of these. And the correct answer is D. None of these. Question number 18. The word after sight in bill of exchange means option A. After acceptance, B. After payment, C. A or B, D. None of these. And the correct answer is A. After acceptance. Question number 19. The liability of drawee in an usance bill of exchange starts A. When bill is drawn, B. When the bill is accepted by him, C. Liability is always of drawer, D. None of these. And the answer is A. When bill is drawn. Question number 20. An usance bill must be presented to the drawee. The options are A. At his place of business during his business hours for his acceptance, B. At his place of business even after his business hours for his acceptance, C. At any place even after his business hours of the bank, D. At the bank's premises during business hours of the bank. And the correct answer is A, and that is at his place of business during his business hours for his acceptance. Question number 21. The bill must be presented to the drawee for acceptance or payment within the options A. 24 hours of receipt of the bill, B. 48 hours of the receipt of the bill, C. Any time after receipt of the bill, D. None of these. And the correct answer is A. 24 hours of receipt of the bill. Question number 22. What is the time allowed to the drawee for accepting the bill? The options A. 24 hours exclusive of public holidays, B. 48 hours exclusive of public holidays, C. A or B, D. None of these. And the correct answer is B. 48 hours exclusive of public holidays. Question number 20.